In right triangle ABC, a segment is drawn from vertex C to point D on Ben.
5.
That is the correct answer. Ben takes the round. Congratulations.
All right, moment of truth. In a right triangle ABC, a segment is drawn from the vertex C, this is the vertex C, to a point D, this is the point D, on the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, AB. If CA is 4 cm, this is CA, CB is 43 cm, and AD is 3 cm, then what is the value of BD? All right, let us apply Pythagoras theorem, which stated that the hypotenuse squared, that is AB squared, is equal to this squared plus this squared, that is 4 squared. I know we should have a square here, forget about it, plus this squared, which is 4 root 3 squared. Instead of putting a square here, you can take square root of both sides. Yes. What is 4 squared is 16, right? 4 squared is another 16. Root 3 squared is 3. This is 48 plus this will give us 64. So the whole of this is square root of 64. And square root of 64 is 8. Therefore, AB is what? 8 cm. The whole of the hypotenuse is 8 cm. But what are we looking for? We are looking for the length BD. But we know that this together with this will give us the hypotenuse, which implies that this must be equal to 5 because 5 plus 3 is 8. Or you can simply put it into the book as what's the length? BD will be equal to AB, the whole length, minus this little segment, which is AD. So this is 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Yes, cm. Yeah, it's correct. But the time is too small.